To log into Parish Online, go to our website and click on the Login button. From there you can type in your username and password. Your username may have a prefix on it such as admin or reader or your name. This will have been defined by the administrator of your Parish Online account, usually the parish clerk. Your password is case sensitive, so check that you've entered it correctly. Then to log in, simply click the Login button, and this will take you to your Parish Online account. Then to log out, in the top right hand corner, there's a power icon. Click on this and select Log Out.